Can you create YouTube Shorts using completely free AI tools? And what is that secret that can make YouTube Shorts more engaging? So welcome to series Experiment with AI. In this video, we are trying to create motivational shorts using free AI tools. And if you want an answer to this question, then watch this video till end. So let's start. For background music, you can find royalty-free music on Pixabay. But remember one thing, that whenever you download any music, make sure there is no any copyright content ID. If in front of any music shows sign like this, then don't download it, or you can get the premium and use it. I will use Gemini for script. You just copy this prompt which is showing on your screen and paste it in the Gemini. And also remember, you can change parameters right here in the prompt according to your preferences. So here is your script ready. Now let's move to visuals. For visuals, we will use Bing Chat. Now here we are using scenes given by Gemini in script. So simply copy and paste these lines one by one and download it like this. I will use TTS Maker for voiceover because we are creating motivational shorts. So I will use two different voices here. You just need to paste your video script here. Select a voice model and click on create. When it is completed, download your file. Now we just need to do editing, so we will use CapCut, or you can use anything. Now follow the steps with me for a complete video. I have one more settings that if you can do that, your video will be more engaging. And if you are satisfied with this, then leave this video here. By adding captions, your video will be more engaging from the user perspective. For that, I use auto caption feature of CapCut, which is completely free. Otherwise, you can generate it by using captions.ai.
We all face challenges, moments where doubt creeps in and giving up feels easier.
But within each of us lies a fire, a relentless spirit that refuses to quit.
So don't let setbacks define you, rise above them.
Believe in yourself. Your potential is limitless. Now go out there and conquer your goals.
So thanks for watching. If you like this video, then comment it and do share. Until next time, keep learning, keep operating yourself.